Hello everyone. So this is a quick video where I want just to correct a mistake that I did in the last video. In the example of the mice, I said if we had a third mouse, here, then we would translate the sentence "these mice are blind" differently. And my plan was to give you a wrong example and then to correct it, just to put emphasis on something. But since I normally repeat myself over and over to get this video done correctly, I kind of missed out the plan. I completely forgot. So I said that if I wanted to translate this sentence for more than 2 mice, you would say هؤلاء الفئران عمي. هؤلاء الفئران عمي. Can you see what's wrong here? Actually, فئران or mice are non-human, so actually I cannot use هؤلاء to point at them, nor can I give them an adjective that is used for a group of humans. I have to give them an adjective that goes with a group of non-humans, and in this case we always, when we're dealing with a group of non-humans, we always go to the form of a singular feminine. So basically the correct way of saying these mice are blind is to say هذه الفئران عمياء. هذه الفئران عمياء or عمياء. هذه الفئران عمياء. This is the correct way. So notice, since these mice are not human, they would have to get a non-human pointing article, which is, or a demonstrative pronoun, اسم إشارة. And I've said over and over in the previous lesson that you don't use هؤلاء, you have to use هذه. So we use هذه to point at a group of non-human objects or animals. And similarly, when you're adding an adjective, or even in this case what we use خبر in Arabic, or a piece of information, to فئران, you don't say, or even if you want to give them an adjective for animals, you will not use the adjective for the plural humans. You always have to use the singular female form. And an example, if let's say I want to say that, for example, if I want to say that cats, or these cats, well, this is kind of redundant, so let's give a new example. I just want to say, if we want to put an adjective, say pretty cats. Okay, so in this case, for cats you would translate it as قطط. Okay, and in Arabic this is the plural of قطة, which is a female form. That doesn't make that isn't really the point here. But if I want to describe cats and give it an adjective, let's say pretty, which in Arabic the masculine singular form is jamil, the feminine singular form is jamila. And the feminine plural form is جميلات. So we would never say قطط جميلات. Okay, we never say قطط جميلات. Okay, because cats are not human. So you have to say قطط جميلة. قطط جميلة. Okay? While if you say pretty girls, okay, then you would translate that in Arabic to فتيات جميلات. فتيات جميلات. Okay, فتيات جميلات. In case of an animal, you'd say قطط جميلة. كلاب جميلة. And كلاب is the plural for dog. كلاب جميلة. Okay, so this is just what I want to say here for this lesson. And well, thank you very much. And if you find any other mistake, please let me know. Thank you.